Hello adult and child group. How are you all doing? I'm sure you all are having a lot of fun at home, doing different activities that we've sent you, listening to all the stories that we're sending you, and you all mummies and daddies also are having a good time enjoying all that at home. Now today we've come to you with a new thing. We are going to make a bird feeder. A bird feeder is something that you hang outside on a tree, and the birds, when they get hungry, they come and peck on it. They take little seeds and fill up their stomach. And we're going to make a very nice, organic, healthy bird feeder with things available at home. So for this, I'm going to use a pine cone. Everybody has a pine cone at home. Remember, we made pine cones in Christmas. So everybody has one at home. And I've also taken help from Bhaiya to put a pin in it and tie a rope so that it hangs like this. See? So this bit can be done by mummy and daddy at home to help the children. After that, it's all fun work. So we need a pine cone. We need some peanut butter. And we need some bird feed. This bird feed has also been made by you all. Remember, we made a mix of grains. So this is that one. So now let's get to the fun part. I'm going to use the back of my spoon and take some peanut butter. I feel like eating it right now. But no, this is for the birds. And I'm going to, again, this is the way we spread the butter. Spread the butter. Spread the butter. This is the way we go into the hoops like this. See? Ooh, the birds are going to have such a fun time feeding on this. And the summers are coming. They're all gonna get thirsty. We all put pots of water outside our houses. What about putting out some food as well? Yeah? So this is the way we keep spreading. You can also use your fingers if you're okay with it. Mummies, you can actually encourage them to use their fingers also. Just like this, they can pick it up and they can put it inside the hoops like this. You can take the creamy peanut butter. You can take the chunky peanut butter. If you do not want to use peanut butter, you can use some vegetable shortening. All that is available easily. Or if you have a way of making it home, make it at home. Yeah, this is the way we spread it all around. See, it's all around. And after that, time for some messy play. So I have two ways of doing it. I can either spread it all here like this, my bird feed, and then I go roll, roll, roll. You see, all the bird feed is sticking onto it. You see? Or I could just take the bird feed and sprinkle on it. Since we've got peanut butter on it, it's all gonna stick into it. Just go all out. As much as you want, you can put it like this. And now, all we have to do is, this also can be made at home. You can use bajra, you can use oats, you can use wheat. You get a pre-mixed bird feed also in the market, but it's more fun to make it at home with the kids because they like mixing grains since we've already done it. You see, this is what we have. And now I'll be calling in Simran ma'am to help us hang it on the tree.
Hi! Alright, this looks
job.
lovely, Bharti ma'am.
Yeah, and
really
I'm sure
nice.
the birds are going to have so much fun.
And I'm going to hang it up here.
Alright, so this is the way we're going to tie a knot on the tree branch and it's going to hang up like this. See?
Bye, guys.
So good. Thank you, guys. Bye. See, my hands are messy. I'm going to wash it. That's okay. I'm okay with my hands getting messy. Bye. See you again.